Is black mold growing in your window seals? This gross buildup isn't just ugly, it can affect your health. Here's the fast way to eliminate it completely. Window seals trap moisture. Add dust and pollen, and you've got a perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. Most people ignore it until the seals are coated in black gunk and indoor air quality suffers. Step 1. Spray the seals generously with a 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water. Vinegar kills mold naturally and starts breaking it down. Step 2. Let the solution sit for about 10 minutes so it penetrates and loosens the mold. Step 3. Scrub every corner and crevice with an old toothbrush, including the rubber gasket and tight edges. Step 4. For stubborn black spots, touch a cotton swab in hydrogen peroxide or a diluted bleach solution and spot treat gently. Avoid mixing chemicals. Ventilate the area. Step 5. Wipe everything clean with a microfiber cloth, then dry completely. Moisture is what brings mold back. Pro tip: prevention is simple, keep seals dry. Wipe condensation regularly, improve ventilation, and give seals a quick monthly clean. Dealing with heavy growth or too many windows to tackle? Our professionals use commercial treatments and specialized tools to restore your window seals safely and efficiently. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning. 256 633 6332. Visit bearbrowscleaning.com today.